Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Even the brightest stars eventually grow weary. 1. Apparently, even the universe needs a nap. Reason, everyone needs rest no matter how successful they are. 2. Okay, I've been shining enough today. Reason, nobody has to perform at 100% all the time. 3. Stars may light in the sky, but even they rest their quiet moments. Reason, quiet time can refresh us. 4. Even superheroes need sleep, and apparently stars do too. Reason, strength comes with knowing when to rest. 5. Shining non-stop. Even a star would eventually say, can we dim the lights? Reason, constant effort can become exhausting. 6. Even the brightest stars have low battery days. Reason, feeling tired is completely normal. 7. A tired star is a still star. Reason, rest doesn't make someone less valuable. 8. Sometimes the brightest light needs a little darkness to rest. Reason, balance between activity and rest matters. 9. Even the stars clock out eventually. No overtime in the galaxy. Reason, everyone deserves downtime. 10. You don't have to shine every second. Even stars take breaks. Reason, you can slow down without giving up. 11. The brightest star can whisper, I'll shine again tomorrow. Reason, taking a break doesn't mean quitting. 12. Even cosmic celebrities need a day off. Reason, success doesn't eliminate the need for rest. 13. When your energy is low, remember even stars eventually grow weary. Reason, tiredness is part of being human. 14. Stars don't apologize for resting. So why should we? Reason, rest is something to respect, not feel guilt about. 15. Even the brightest lights needs a recharge. Reason, recovery helps restore energy. 16. Sometimes shining means knowing when to stop and rest. Reason, good judgment includes recognizing your limits. 19. The stars said, I'm not disappearing, I'm just taking a cosmic break. Reason, it pause isn't necessarily an ending. 18. Even the sky has quiet nights. You can have quiet days too. Reason, everyone deserves peaceful moments. 19. Your light doesn't disappear just because you're tired. Reason, temporarily exhaustion doesn't erase your abilities. 20. Even the brightest star sometimes needs to lower the brightest setting. Reason, sometimes we need to reduce our workload.